Happy, fantastic Friday. You're watching Foodie Friday on MX24. My name is Keely J. Brewer and we are back in the kitchen. We've been up here chefing dishes from across Ghana and worldwide. And honestly, today is no different, but I'm taking you somewhere special. We need to eat healthy because healthy food actually connects to your mental well-being and your overall health. And it's very important to get some greens into your system, some fresh vegetables that you need to make sure you have all the nutrients and vitamins your body needs to survive and thrive in this hustling, bustling, hot Accra. Well, today I'm going to be speaking to a lady. She is the CEO, or should I say the CEO, of Salad Style, which is a salad bar. They make amazing salads. Her name is Miss Biney. Miss Esther Biney is here with me today, and I'd like to welcome her to Foodie Friday. You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's great to have you here.
Same here. Thanks for having me here too.
Oh, I'm excited to have you. But before we start everything, I need you to know, once you're sitting at home and you're looking through your cabinet for something special, you should be reaching for that Gino Jollof mix. Let's talk about real flavor that brings everyone to the table with empty plates and big smiles. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just treating yourself, just know that one secret ingredient guarantees a delicious, rich, authentic taste every single time, and that is the Gino Jollof mix from GB Foods Ghana. You need to try the new Gino Jollof mix. We used it for Daphne Flashley's jambalaya, and it was a total banger. You don't want to miss out on any of the goodness. It has all the nutrients you need, and it also tastes great. So go out there and get some of that for yourself. But yes, I'm here with Miss Biney. You're welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
Hey, CEO of Salad Style. Salad Style.
Yeah, Salad Style.
So I guess since you're from Salad Style, we're making salads today.
Yes,
what kind of salad are we making today?
Ghanaian salad.
Okay.
Yes. I specialize in making Ghanaian salad, so it's Ghanaian salads we are making today.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah.
When was the first time you made Ghanaian salad?
Way back, would I remember? Like when I was a kid. Like
1990.
Oh, not 90s. Maybe in the 20s. It's been a while. Maybe say 15 years ago or
15 years ago.
Like 10
That's
years
still
ago.
a long time if you ask me. You've been here for a while.
Yeah.
You've been here for a good while. But Ghanaian salad, what are the components of Ghanaian salad? What makes Ghanaian salad to someone who doesn't know what Ghanaian salad is?
Okay, so what makes Ghanaian salad is the vegetables.
Okay.
That is the lettuce, the carrots, the cucumber, the onions, green pepper, beetroot. Yes, basically, yeah, the vegetables.
Makes Ghanaian
salad, yeah.
So most people, when you go online and they're having debates on the Twitter streets, they always talk about how they are healthy salads, but then Ghanaian salad seems to be too heavy. They don't class it as healthy.
Yeah.
Do you think Ghanaian salad is actually a healthy dish? Or it's something that we should use as junk food to indulge a little bit and not feel bad?
Exactly. And then you can actually prepare it like in a healthy way and then not prepare it in a healthy way. In a healthy way, you don't add certain things to it. You get it? And then some people to like it to be rich, like extremely rich. So you have to add the other flavors, like the other stuff that is going to make it extremely nice.
Such as?
Like the mayonnaise, ketchup, sardine,
corned beef.
Exactly. Eggs.
I saw someone putting melted margarine. They were mixing things inside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, people like things suchy, but we leave that to them.
All right, sure, that's fine.
So yes, let's get right into it. What are we starting with this authentic Ghanaian salad?
Yeah, we'll start with our lettuce.
Okay.
So we have to...
all right, gloves, safety first.
Yeah.
Hey, Chef Biney in the building. Love to see it. Let me grab myself just one glove.
Yeah, because I will need help.
Yes, just so I can help along. Okay, so we have freshly washed romaine lettuce.
Yes.
All right, why romaine lettuce in particular? Because there are different types of lettuce.
This is what I'm comfortable using.
Okay.
And I feel like this is healthy.
Yes.
Anyway, all the lettuces are healthy, but then this is what I love to use, the romaine one.
And it's also very leafy.
Yes, exactly.
Leafy
Yeah.
compared to iceberg lettuce, which has more of a crunch to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're dropping our lettuce as our base.
Yes,
but while we are
please.
doing that, let's have a chit chat. Let's
All
talk
right,
about salad style.
Okay.
Where did the whole concept of salad style come from? Why did you want to go into business doing salads?
Okay, so first of all, I never thought of doing this as a business. So it was my cousin that taught me how to make salads. Mostly my family, we like, doing getaway parties and all of that. So there was this time she was preparing salads and then she just taught me how to do it. And then my mom also likes to give people salads, like randomly. So there was this time.
Is that her love language?
Yes,
Oh,
gifts,
wow.
like gifting people. Yeah, it's a love language.
That is
yeah.
so sweet. Shout to Esther's mom. You're very sweet. We love you over here at Foodie
Yeah,
Friday.
we do love her so much. So there was this time she gave it to a nurse at 37 Military Hospital because she was also into sandwiches, like making sandwiches to sell there.
Okay,
And then she was like, oh, it's really nice, it's really nice. It's like, oh, okay. Then she was like, I can add some of the packs to her sandwich for her to sell for me. So that is how I started. And then I made use of my social media pages, like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat. Yes.
But being a woman in business, let's talk about the steps it took for you to build a food business in Ghana. Because food businesses are very competitive. They have the restaurants, and then they also have the street vendors as well. And more often than not, the street vendors always win the battle. Because there's price, and then there's more quantity, and then the quality as well. I mean, sometimes quality can be compromised with street vendors, but then the quantity is there for a cheaper price, so people would run over there. How were you able to get into the market and actually thrive and succeed as well? Because you're doing things that other people are doing. Everybody has a salad vendor on their street.
Exactly. So I feel like it's the unique taste. Basically, that's how I would say. Because like when you try my salad, you will see it's different. Like most people that eat my salad, like, oh, like what you put in is different. Like, so I feel like it's the taste, and then how I take my time to prepare it too. Because most people don't really take that time. They add like that let's use there. Sometimes there are some like this dark spots. People add it to it, but for me, I really take my time to do everything like how I will want to receive it. Like that's how I do my stuff.
So that's step one to getting long-lasting customers. Creating
Exactly.
a product that you yourself would want to experience.
Exactly. Not just because you are getting money out of it. No.
But why do you think so many food vendors compromise on quality? Because I know sometimes you'd hear stories of food vendors who would sell something to someone and maybe there's a very weird looking piece of meat in the mix of the food, or the food wasn't properly seasoned, or they used inferior quality products. Like for example, you go to some chop bars, you're trying to get stew or soup, and then they use inferior quality tomatoes to make it, and then the food tastes bad. It goes bad once it gets cold.
Yeah.
All of those things. Why do you think people do that as business people?
I think I would say maybe the pricing. Maybe they want to make it so affordable, so they don't like they end up not using quality stuff, so they can sell to people easily. I should think so.
But with you, with your quality control for when you're trying to get products, how do you go about it? Do you go to the market yourself? Do you have people you send? Or is it that you buy in bulk and then you now sort through the batches? How does that go?
Yeah, we buy in bulk for the non-perishable items. But with the lettuce and the other stuff, we buy them like freshly, maybe like 3 days, or like 4 days. Yeah. We don't buy and then store them down for a long time. No, we don't do that. Yes.
Okay. All right. So with you starting your business, what are some challenges you faced as a woman in business?
Challenges. Did I face challenges?
Or it was just easy for you? Like you entered the industry and just started getting customers?
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I made use of my social media pages. Like I stayed consistent.
Right.
Anyway, there are challenges. There are some days that you don't really get a lot of orders, and there are some days too that the orders are really overwhelming. So I would say that it's relative. Like it depends.
Right. Okay. So our lettuce is almost ready. What's the next ingredient we're gonna have to prep?
You have to prep the cucumbers, the carrots.
Also, one thing I'm noticing, you're not using the stalk of the lettuce. Why is that?
I don't have a reason.
You don't have a reason for not using it? Okay, it's just vibes. It's just vibes.
Yeah.
You just don't like to see the stalk.
Exactly.
Actually, some people don't like to see the stalk either. I get it. All right, so we've got our lettuce down. Let's segue over to our cucumbers. Yes. All right, so we've got cucumbers in there. What actually informed your choice for the vegetables? I mean, aside the fact that we have our regular Ghanaian salad recipe, why did you choose these particular ones? Because some people would opt out of it and probably just go a plain way with some lettuce, carrots, probably throw in some tomatoes with their big beans and their accoutrements.
So, you know, like with salad, for me, one thing I do is I mostly like to work with client's preference. But you know, like there's some basic things that makes the salad. That is the lettuce, the cucumber, the carrots. These things are what makes the salad.
Right.
And then there are people that like you to add onions, tomatoes, green peppers, and all of that. So I would say that it depends on the individual. But for me, I just like to use these three basic stuff because they are healthy, rich in nutrients and vitamins. Yeah.
So essentially, those are your building blocks.
Yes.
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 But let's talk about you, Miss Biney. I'm sure a lot of people know about salad style, but then you try to hide your private life, and we can't allow that to happen over here at Foodie Friday. We're going to dive into your personal life. I want to know, what's a typical day for Miss Biney like when she's not making salads?
Okay, so when I'm not making salads, I really like to explore, like try new restaurants. I love to take pictures. I love to see what's going on the internet. I love to spend time with family and friends. So a typical day with me is either on the internet with friends, exploring. I like to travel too, so yeah.
Oh, nice. So you've been using the salad money to cash trips. This business, actually, I'm curious, how profitable is it though to start up a salad business? Because we need to motivate our young ladies out there. Maybe there's someone out there who's passionate about creating healthy foods. And she wants to branch out and start, but she's afraid. What if I go in there and the industry just swallows me up and I can't really make it or keep my head above water? How profitable is this thing?
So I don't do only salads. That's one thing.
Okay.
I add other stuff like finger foods because I do breakfast packages. I cater for events. And then with my breakfast, I add, as I said, finger foods like pancakes. So I also do something different like a dessert bar for events. So all those are part of the stuff I do.
Oh, a dessert bar? What kind of
like
desserts
mini pancakes and then waffles.
Waffles.
For events. So it's not basic just the salad. I do other stuff too.
But at what point in the business did you decide to diversify? Because some people start off with something and then they don't really want to branch out because they're not trying to get their hands too busy. What happened?
So you know, my pancake too is something people really talk about. Like it's the best Ghanaian pancake.
Hey, say a pancake is the best. Have you tried my pancake?
Oh,
have you tried my grandmother's
I'll bring
pancake?
you some tomorrow. Don't worry.
Okay,
it's the best.
It's a date.
It's the best like you ever taste. So feedback from people.
Yes.
Made me branch into like to consider doing that on the side, like to have a dessert bar for events like kids party, weddings, and other stuff.
Okay.
So aside this, that's what I also do.
That's nice. But how do you formulate your recipes with your finger food and the other stuff? Because salads, I mean, you know that you're going to chop the veggies. The only difference will probably be with the dressings and stuff. But with the other stuff, you'd have to really master your recipe. So how do you develop that?
Hey, that one there, it's personal. Hey, I can't share how I develop my recipes here.
Although you don't have to give us the nitty-gritty details, but what's the inspiration? Is it family recipes? Is it stuff you look up
my
online?
pancake is family recipe, yeah. When I was a kid, my mom really used to do pancake for us. So yeah, so that's just it's a family recipe for my pancakes.
Okay.
But the other stuff, I just learn them online. Most of the things I do, I learn them online.
So in this famous pancake, what ingredients are in there? You don't have to give us the exact
You really want to know? Oh my God. It's just the basic, like the flour, the sugar, milk, nutmeg, eggs. It's just that. But
no
when
oil,
you taste
no
it,
melted margarine.
No, please.
No? Okay, we'll find out later. I'll ask her behind closed doors. But anyway, our cucumbers are well underway. We have beetroot, bell peppers, and carrots and onions to still prep, and also the almighty eggs. I'm just curious, why do you think
we are
as
done.
Ghanaians we added egg to our salad? The answer is very obvious. I don't want to give multiple choice answers.
Protein.
For protein, you think that's
egg
why?
Is protein, yeah.
It's not because egg
But
is our
I saw
favorite
somewhere
thing.
that, Ghanaians really love eggs, so everything there we add eggs.
I really wonder what the backstory to that is. Because even when children take their first steps, or when a child is a year old or so, don't they give the baby a boiled egg signify that new stage in their life?
Yeah.
In some cultures, some Ghanaian cultures.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that adds up. That makes a lot of sense.
So now we are putting the cucumber.
Yes, our cucumbers are going in. We've thrown in our pre-cooked pasta as well.
Yes.
For carbohydrates. Because Ghana, we're a very carb-heavy nation. I was actually watching this show on YouTube, the Best Ever Food Review Show. And Sonny, who's the presenter, was talking about how in Ghana, a lot of our foods are carbohydrate heavy. He went to the Osu Street Market and everything he finds somehow, some way, had a carb in there. Except when he was eating just, grilled proteins like the grilled pork and stuff like that. So,
yeah.
Okay, so we're chopping up our carrots, our bell peppers, and our onions, but we're going for a quick break. And when we're back, we'll be putting together our Ghanaian salad, putting everything right in order, mixing it up, and still chopping it up with Chef Biney. We'll be right back. You're watching Foodie Friday. Back, you're watching Foodie Friday. In case you're just tuning in, we are making something special. That is Ghanaian Salad with the CEO of Salad Style. Her name is Miss Esther Biney. And we're here. We've assembled a lot of our accoutrements. But before we jump back into that conversation, let me talk to you about Secotech. Secotech has the best blenders on the market. I put my name and my life on it. These powerful titanium blades that they have in these blenders can crush anything from ice to metal to diamonds, I believe. You should go out there and get yourself a Secotech blender. It's beautiful, powerful, and you can enjoy full warranty and after-sale support right here in Ghana. You can find them at East Legon, Boundary Road, near the roundabout, or call them on 0244-561-052. That's 0244-561-052, and follow at Secotech Ghana on Instagram. Secotech, power, precision, and perfection. Yes, yes, yes. So let's jump back right into what we're doing. Our salad is almost ready. Right in the salad bowl, we have our lettuce, we have pasta or macaroni. What would this even count as? What kind of pasta is this? I think it's a fusilli pasta because of the turning in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fusilli type of pasta. And then we have our chopped cucumbers in there.
Yeah.
Also on our break, we chopped up our carrots, onions, beetroot, and bell peppers. And we still have the rest of our accoutrements ready. So where are we going with this next?
So the carrots, we put the carrots in.
Okay. So we throw our carrots in there. But I'm curious, I see you have your salad cream and you have your ketchup as well. So which means we're obviously going to make a dressing to throw in there.
Yes.
A makeshift dressing.
Yes. Yeah.
What would you say are some do's and don'ts when it comes to making salad dressing?
Okay, so when it comes to the salad dressing, you need to have, you have to be consistent with your ingredients, like the measurement and everything, so you have a consistent taste. They don't taste something different today, and then tomorrow it's something different. So consistency counts when you're making your salad dressing.
Do you like more of creamy dressings or the oil-based dressings?
More creamy.
More creamy.
Yes.
Ah, the Ghanaian
way.
All right, so we have our carrots, bell peppers, everything in. It's left with what? The beetroot and then the onions?
The onions.
Okay, cool. And then we're going to chop up some eggs as well. I'm going to help you out with that once you're ready to get started.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
You can.
Yes. But anyway, let's talk about what it's like sustaining a food business in Ghana today. What are some of the challenges you faced as a young food business owner, especially when it comes to making salads?
Okay, so most of the vegetables, some of them are seasonal. So when they are out of season, the prices increase on the market, and it's quite difficult purchasing. And even though I still go ahead and purchase, I'm not able to increase my prices because I cannot just increase my prices just like that. I need to give them some pre-information, like pre-inform them and all of that. Yes, so when the vegetables are not in season, it's quite difficult, but then we still manage to.
So how do you manage
to sell
how do you manage to still make sales and be able to still buy everything to give your customers what they love and appreciate?
So we like as I said early on, we go ahead and purchase whatever we have to purchase. Just that, and then we don't say because the prices are high, we're going to reduce the quantity. We still maintain whatever we do. We are not going to really run at a loss, but then you're not going to get what you get when the prices are on the low and all of that. So it's okay. Yeah.
Wow. I mean, it must be hard running a business where you have to give your customers what they desire at the same quantity for the same price. When you aren't really having it easy on yourself.
Yes. But you still have to
what really motivates you to keep going?
Consistency and then good feedback from people keeps me going. The fact that I know people love what I do, people show interest in what I'm doing, it keeps me going. Yeah.
But aside that, what do you do in your leisure time? How do you relax and unwind when you're not being Chef Biney?
I love to catch up with my friends, explore new restaurants. I read, go on the internet to see what's happening. Yes. And then also sometimes I try and get to know more about the stuff that I do, like what I can do to improve, what I can do to add, and all of that. Yes.
Yeah, so basically building yourself.
Building myself.
I'm even curious, what did you study in school? Come to think of it. Did you study nutrition since you are making salads?
Not at all.
Oh, what did you study?
French. Bachelor of Arts in French.
Wow. Bachelor of Arts in French. Wow. I mean, my parents blast me all the time for doing media after getting a business admin degree, but French and salads, wow.
Yeah, so I'm just passionate about making salads. I'm passionate about making like stuff like this, so yeah.
But what was it like branching out to actually follow your passion? Was it something that was easy for you to do? Were you well supported? I mean, you mentioned earlier that your mom supported in the beginning, but from the rest of your family, did you really get that support? Or?
Yes, I got that support. So, you know, I was actually doing salads way back in school. When I'm on vacation, I do it. When I was in my national service, I do it to sell at my office and all of that. So it wasn't difficult for me, like after service, it wasn't difficult for me to branch into the food business or do what I love to do. It wasn't difficult for me, yeah.
Okay, so we have our tuna going in.
Yes.
So what's next? Eggs are already chopped up, sardine is over there.
Yeah, so it's just about adding the dressing to it and then we are done.
Okay, now let me ask. There's a sardine debate. With your sardines, do you keep the eggs in or you throw the eggs out?
We keep it in. We don't throw anything out.
Okay, so some people actually don't like the sardine eggs and they run away from it and they throw it out. So you keep it in. Okay,
we just put everything.
Keeps the eggs in.
We put everything in.
That's like cheap caviar, if you ask me. You should be able to just enjoy that and be happy. But yes, sardines going in. And I see we have our Gino baked beans over here. Tried, tested, approved, loved by homes across Ghana and worldwide. Gino has the best baked beans in tomato sauce. If you're looking for the best tomato anything, just think Gino. Don't think anything else. If you want to think about something else, close your mind. Just think about Gino and Gino alone because they are the best in all tomato-based products. And this baked beans is no different. These baked beans are cooked to perfection with the right blend of spices. It has the right amount of sugar in there and it just tastes amazing. It's perfect for your salads or your toast or anything you like to eat baked beans with. You should get yourself a can of Gino baked beans tomato paste and that's on period. All right, our eggs are, yes, let me help you with that. Our eggs are going in, and then the baked beans I know goes last on top as garnish. Yes. Come to think of it, baked beans and eggs in Ghanaian salad. Would you say that was our own healthy spin-off of trying to do gobe without oil? If you really think about it.
It looks like it.
Bougie gobe minus the gari.
Yeah, I suppose.
All right, so we've gotten our baked beans open.
Yeah.
Our Gino baked beans. All right, so what's next with the dressing?
So we are going to add the baked beans to it.
Ooh, look at that goodness. Look at all that lush tomato goodness. Gino always has it covered. Nice, 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 nice. Hey, cameramen are salivating. People at home are crying. People are just fawning over the TV. I love to see it. Such. Okay, nice.
The Ghanaian way. Yeah.
The Ghanaian way. All right, so baked beans in. What's going in next?
The cream and then the ketchup.
Okay. So I saw you whipping your cream before. Is there a reason why?
Oh, there's no reason.
Oh.
There's no reason.
I thought I was about to learn something new today. Okay. And most importantly, as you're cooking, keep your kitchen clean. Move your dishes out of the way. Make sure everything is serene and tranquil in your kitchen. Keep your kitchen clean. Okay, and the finishing touch, the almighty ketchup.
Ketchup.
Look at that beauty. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely? Ah, yes. Okay. So our salad is ready in essence. But before you go, I'm just curious. You're selling healthy food. You care about people being healthy. You're passionate about salads, small chops, breakfast food, finger food. But aside the food, how do you stay healthy? Let's start with mentally. How do you keep yourself mentally sane and stable and centered amidst the heat in Accra?
So I do work out.
Okay.
I do visit the gym. Yes, so that also helps me to keep my mental health stable.
Yes, just the working out keeps your mental health stable. People need a bit more, so you're lucky if it's just working out.
Yeah, I think with me, workout makes me okay. Like when I work out, I'm sound, I'm able to think, I'm fit, yeah.
Or you're too tired to overthink after lifting all that metal. You can't overthink too much after that.
Oh, once you're consistent in doing those stuff, it becomes normal. It's not like work again. It's like you're enjoying what you're doing. So
yeah, it's a part of your routine.
Exactly.
Nice one. So our salad is ready. Let's show it to the camera. Film the salad. Film where. Film the salad. Film the salad. Ah, this looks decadent. I can see it's going to be very creamy. Let's have a taste test, shall we? Nice. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of everything. Hey, some people in the control room are crying for butter bread and tea bread, but it is what it is. Let me just have a quick taste of this. Like
so
I always
well
say,
with bread.
right? I always say for national TV, I won't spoil my stew, so we'll taste more and do lady like that.
Exactly.
Like Princess Diana. And then when the cameras go off, we dirty ourselves. You see me eating this thing like
exactly.
I'll use my bare hands. But yes, for the sake of stews, let's just try this out with a fork. I'm just, wow, I want to get a little bit of everything. Let's see what Chef Biney is about. You qualify to be my in-law.
Yeah.
I love this, honestly. I need to know which market you go to actually buy your vegetables. Because it tastes so fresh. Everything is well put together. Flavor is amazing. And I watched you do everything and it seemed very easy.
Yeah.
So why are we missing out on this at home?
It's easy. But you know, the preparation process, people don't really like doing that.
The prepping process.
Exactly.
That's true. That's why I don't make salads.
Exactly, the prepping process.
Yeah, the prepping process is very long. But this is so good, honestly.
Yeah. Thank you.
I love this and I can't wait for the camera to be off. Let me just sign off, okay? So that we can all go home because I need to finish this plate of salad and I can't do this on camera, but this is very delicious.
Thank you.
Let me talk to you about Gino. Food lovers, let me let you on a little kitchen secret. That one ingredient for your soups and stews is Gino tomato mix. It gives the perfect redness every time. It's rich, it's flavorful, it has depth, it has color. Trust me, you don't want any other tomato paste in your kitchen cabinet. Just go ahead and grab your Gino tomato mix that's enriched with vitamin A, D3, fiber, and zinc. And treat your family to healthy and tasty meals. And with Gino tomato mix, you can never ever go wrong. Even if the food is going left, Gino Mix will make sure it goes right. So go ahead and grab yourself some Gino tomato mix because Gino truly cares.
Yes.
And this advert's approved by the FDA and Keely J. Brewer. I have a hamper over here from Gino for you with the beloved baked beans and the mayo that we use today. And there's also some Gino tomato mix, curry powder, jollof mix, a little bit of everything. And of course, my favorite, the pepper and onion one. So here you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Gino.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So yes, it was a beautiful Foodie Friday. A very chill one, actually. We didn't sweat in the kitchen today. Soft girl vibes. We're just making some salad and chit-chatting. You can catch a rerun on our YouTube. And don't forget to keep watching MX24 because we have the best of quality from now till. My name's Keely J. Brewer. I've been here with the CEO of Salad Style, Miss Esther Biney. Thank you once again for coming.
Thank you too.
And yes, I wish you the very best in your business and your endeavors.
Thank
Go out
you.
there, make $6 billion and one make $3 billion, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And until next week, I'll see you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. KJB out. Mwah.